Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. Today we are going to see a trick to suppress the upgrade prompt which you get in the GCP free trial. So when the trial is about to end, so say for example almost like half, if it's in the midway, now the trial is only for 90 days. Maybe from 45th day you may get a prompt. So I'm just going to show you a trick how to suppress that. So this is nothing illegal or something. It's a proper way of suppressing the prompt. That's it. So I'm not going to share you some cross shortcuts or something, but it's a proper way, technically how to suppress this prompt is what we are going to see. Let's get started. So for people who did not understand what is the suppressing this upgrade prompt. So currently if you see this is my console. So when I had activated my account it was 365 days, but unfortunately now it's only 90 days. It's still okay. In 90 days we can learn things there. Um, and if you see here it's almost like halfway through I am. So and also I have a limit very less credits. Uh, from last 2 days it's prompting me to upgrade it. Now if I zoom the screen, a good amount of real estate is used by the screen itself upgrade. And what I can do is I wanted to suppress this information. I definitely, once the trial gets over, if I'm really interested, I'll definitely upgrade it. But I don't want this prompt to be always there. So how can I do this? So trick is very simple. If you see here, this is the user ID. Okay. What I'm going to do is I have another email ID called as learngcp with learn.gcp2028 @gmail.com. Now, there's no email currently in this mailbox. So what I will do is go to IAM and add that another user as the owner of this project. So when I do that kind of a stuff, I'll not get a prompt. Let me just show you that right away. And it would be a good exposure for you to also see how to add a person, how to add a user as a owner, because only the owner user will get an invitation. No other users get an invitation. So let me make this user as owner of this project. Okay, I don't need to send this notification anyway. Invitation would be sent. So let me click on save. Now save, done. And if I put a filter type user, you see I have made this user also as the owner. So invitation pending, meaning invitation sent pending acceptance. Now if I swap my screen, I see a mail came to my mailbox. It is saying you will want to accept this. Click on this. Let me just click on it. It's going to prompt me to accept it. Once I accept it, I should be able to access my project Learn GCP with Mahesh. And the big advantage is I will not see the prompt. So accept the terms of the service, and once I have accepted it, I should be able to do everything as a owner. I can also go and add another user. I can do everything. So you see this, the project has come up. This is the project, and if you just wanted to know the project ID, let me just swap it. So this is, I'm back in my demo learn.gcp 2022 user, and if you see the project ID is learn-pde-dev. So this is what it indicates here also. Now go as that project, and this prompt is indicating that I can also activate my free trial in this email ID, which I don't want to do. I'm going to just dismiss this. I will have this project ID. Now I have the complete owner access, so I can go and even remove that user. So let me just show you that. So if I just go to, they have changed the user interface. So and you can quickly see the difference between this previous screen. So that's really good to know. So they have changed stuffs there. Now if I just swap and go to my IAM, or I can search for IAM access, and I should be able to remove the older owner. I can do it because I'm the owner of this project now. So I don't recommend you to do this, but I'm just showing that I'm the owner. So if I can go here, remove this, done. So that user will not have access to this project. Now I can go and create everything as usual. I can create virtual machines. I can do everything. I'll not be prompted to for that upgrade option. So once it gets the trial gets over, definitely if I'm really interested, I'll definitely upgrade it. But that message was really annoying. I did not have any other option to suppress it. I thought this option is a very good option because I usually zoom the screen, and if I zoom it, uh, half of the part, if it takes there, it does not make sense. Let me just show you whether I can create a virtual machine. I was able to remove a user itself. So only a owner can remove and add users. So that gives a confirmation that I'm the owner. I can take it forward with this access going forward. So at least for the next 149 days, if my credits are there, so if my credits are there, I should be able to use this Gmail ID till it ends so that I don't get prompted for it. All right. So that's a video which I want to share with you. So a small trick to suppress your upgrade prompt in your GCP free trial account. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.